Hiya crafters, Amy here, and today I have an easy masked Christmas card idea to share with you using some new stencils from A Colorful Life Designs. This is the Showy Ho 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 and the Candy Canes stencil from the November release at A Colorful Life Designs. And I do have a coupon if you want to shop. You can save 10% on your complete order. So I'll have that linked below in the video description box with all the other products that I used. Now here's a photo of the finished card. It's single layer other than a little bit of dimension from that popped up sentiment and the blingage that I put on there, but overall very flat. It'll be nice and easy to ship, which I don't know about you, but that's what I require during Christmas time because I am sending out so many cards and I can't be paying the extra postage when I'm already sending out so many. So here I have some masking tape here. I'm just going to mask off a portion that's wide enough to allow for that showy ho ho ho. And I want to make sure that that line, that crisp line from the masking shows. So I'm actually just using my black blending brush and the residual ink on it just to lay down a little bit of gray. Now it doesn't look like much, but I assure you it really makes that white masked off area really pop once you remove that. So I'm leaving that masking tape in place and then laying down the candy cane stencil and coming in with some very rich deep red ink from Catherine Pooler. And I'm using my blending brushes from the Rabbit Hole Designs just to lay down this color quickly. And again, I'm working directly on a card base. So you could layer this up, make it a little bit more fancy if you wanted to, but I'm trying to keep it simple so I can batch and mass produce as many cards as possible. So I'm working right on the card base. I'm carefully removing the tape and the stencil. Careful not to get the red ink everywhere. And I'm just going to remove this masking tape to show you this nice bright white area. But here I'm just cleaning up my workstation first just because that red ink is no joke. But look at this. See how bright white that is? It doesn't look like it laid down much ink, but I'm telling you, even just the lightest little bit of ink blending against a straight edge like that is always going to have a dramatic effect. So once I'm done flipping this stencil around and find it in the correct direction, then I'm just going to put it back down with some magnets and then use that masking tape just to mask off the edges so I don't have to be super careful with the blending. And then I have a green color and I'm just going to come in with my green blending brush and fill that in with that nice dark green color. So these are obviously traditional Christmas colors. I work in all different color palettes, all different designs. I don't make just one style of card for Christmas. I know I have some friends that do that, but I would just personally get too bored making so many of the same one. I have to switch it up. So personal preference, but this is a pretty simple card idea and one that's nice and flat and would be relatively easy to mass produce. Here I have some Tailored Expressions sentiment strips. I'm just going to put one on the front of the card with this thin foam tape that I get from Amazon, and then I'll liquid glue the other one on the inside of the card. And then I do decide to add a little bit of blingage. You can see those kind of iridescent sequins that I glued on. And I have that sentiment on the inside that says have a holly jolly Christmas, and that's going to finish this simple card. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the rest of the November release at A Colorful Life Designs. There are so many good ones to choose from. And don't forget my coupon if you shop. So I'll link some other Christmas card inspired videos here for you to check out, and I will catch you next time. Bye.